for example, the well injection constraint. I mean, it's listed here, item 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Like, okay, great. I can't remember what those are off the top of my head. Okay, no worries. I could add title and info. So I right-click on the keyword, and that's going to add in a comment above telling me actually what all those keywords are. Okay, that's kind of useful. What else could I do? I'm just going to delete that and press Control-E, get rid of all that. I have this wonderful little tool here called the Eclipse Language Manual. Now, I've actually gone through and taken pretty much the entire OPM flow manual and put it in here as well. Now, this might be a bit hard to read because of my screen resolution, so I do apologize for that. But it does have this thing up here called Sync Caret. If I now move my cursor and click into wcom-prod, it will bring up the manual for that keyword. It's got every single description of what you need here. It describes the difference between the different units. And unlike a PDF manual, let's say you're reading through this and it's got the hyperlinks through to, here you go into something by VFP prod. Okay, I can go to that. Now in a manual I might go there, but oh, now I want to go back. Well, just like a browser, you can go back. And this is incredibly useful when you're looking at the deck and just trying to work out what's going on. But wait, there's more. We can format our keywords into a consistent format very easily. If I select that keyword and press Alt-Shift-F, bang, that just formats perfectly compared to, you can see here, well-named type status, exactly how these are named here. Now, except these names come from OPM flow, but I say it's very, very useful.